Okay, let's take a look at these pots and pans. This is a paid sponsor video. You've got a 10-piece pot and pan set right here. You've got a 2-quart saucepan right there. This is pretty cool because this has got a nice copper outside and it's stainless steel inside. And you've got your tri-ply construction there on the bottom, the aluminum core. Nice little lids there, fits on nicely. We've got this 3-quart saucepan right here. Nice reflection, these things look really nice. Well, check that out right there. We've got another 3-quart saucepan. This is more like a 3-quart stock pot right there. It's a little wider. You know, you got your 3-quart saucepan, and then you've got your 3-quart stock pot or other saucepan. I don't even know what these things are called exactly. There's 6 pieces right there already. And then we have the 6-quart stock pot. And I know that I use this a lot because I make a lot of spaghetti, so this is a really great thing for stuff like that. Make soups and broth, all kinds of really cool stuff with the stock pot. Got the 8-inch frying pan right there. Want to make some quick eggs. Nice weight, nice weighted material. Still very nice finish, very nice construction. You can use these in the oven. You can use these on the top of the stove. These will get hot, but these are solid. And then we have our 10-inch stainless steel aluminum core copper frying pan right there. I look forward to checking all of these out and seeing how well they work for us in our household. So there you go, there you have it.